All right, before that, a quick breaking news update coming in. So we quickly put out those details. Uddhav Thackeray is now leading the Aghadi protests against the BJP over the border controversy, the border issue with Karnataka. And Uddhav Thackeray can also be now seen as a part of the protesters who are currently marching on the streets of Mumbai. He's leading the Mahavikas Aghadi protests. You can see Uddhav Thackeray there on your screen, viewers. We've been picking up a word from several of those protesters who continue to raise several demands against the BJP and have of course also been talking about the Maharashtra governor's remarks calling Shivaji Maharaj icon of olden times, and that's something that has angered the Mahavikas Aghadi, that has angered several like-minded parties in the state of Maharashtra, to which they have decided to carry out this Halla Bol march. On your screens currently is Uddhav Thackeray leading the protests for the MV on the streets of Mumbai. Now this is of course coming at a time when the border controversy also has been escalating between the two states, and the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders have been raising questions with the BJP on how, despite being in power in both the states, they're not being able to come out with an interim solution despite the Home Minister's appeal to let the top court's word be the final word. Let me go across to Arunil first up. Uddhav Thackeray can be seen leading the Aghadi protests. Arunil, what's going on there?
Well, you can see there are some senior leaders from the Mahavikas Aghadi. Ajit Pawar with Uddhav Thackeray, with Nana Patel as well as Aslam Sheikh. All of them leading the protest of the Mahavikas Aghadi. One thing, Prithvi, that is there is the kind of support that this Mahavikas Aghadi protest has got is very significant. Aslam Sheikh ji, कितना support आपको कैसा लगता है? Okay, so basically there is a chaotic situation also that can be seen because of the huge crowd that has gathered here. In your visual, you can see Uddhav Thackeray along with Ajit Pawar with their bodyguards basically asking the media to move from the location. So basically, that between this particular rally of the Mahavikas Aghadi has got is can be seen as
we seem to have some audio trouble with Arunil's line. We'll go across to him in just a bit as Uddhav Thackeray continues to lead the Mahavikas Aghadi contingent. Let me go across to Shivani in the meanwhile. Shivani, what are the protesters alleging? Interestingly, BJP has also announced that their party would organize its own Maafi Mango protest in Mumbai.
Well, yes, we can clearly understand that BJP is also raising a protest, citing that they will be apologizing for the statements. Those have heard the sentiments of the people of Maharashtra. And yes, here, as you can see, behind us is clearly lakhs of people. Those have joined Mahavikas Aghadi government while protesting against the statements those were made in. But yes, we'll try and quickly get words from people and understand their views as well. किस वजह से प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं? किस वजह से प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं? क्यों आई हैं आप यहाँ पे?
हम लोग तो मोर्चा में आए हैं, तीनों से सिंधे सरकार के खिलाफ मोर्चा उठा रहे हैं हम लोग।
मुद्दे पता है आपको?
मुद्दे पता है
जी, क्या है?
बेरोजगार के मुद्दे हैं और पार्टी के जो अभी चल रहे हैं वो सब मुद्दे हैं।
ओके, सो नॉट सो क्लियर व्यूज ऑफ पीपल शिवसेना। यहाँ पे खुद उद्धव ठाकरे जी आए हैं, क्या कहेंगे आप?
हाँ, सब आएगा, सब आएगा, सभी नेता लोग आएगा।
कितना भरोसा है उद्धव ठाकरे जी को?
बहुत भरोसा है। हाँ,
इसलिए हो रहा है प्रोटेस्ट, आपको पता है क्या क्या मुद्दे हैं?
पता है, राज्यपाल का इधर से हटाने का है। हमारा महाराष्ट्र के लिए खतरा है वो आदमी। हाँ,
protesters clearly go and say that there is a threat to the people of Maharashtra because of the governor, and that is why such posters are being placed, and not only one or two, but there are several other smaller parties as well. Those have joined the Mahavikas Aghadi government, and as you can see, the visuals out there clearly tell you the number of people those have joined them in. And though we have to understand one fact here, that Ashok Chavan, very senior leader of the Congress party, is still missing from this particular morcha. It has been said and informed to us that he had to attend a family wedding because of which he could not
All
join
right.
this
So
particular
several
protest.
Mahavikas Aghadi supporters currently on the streets in Mumbai protesting against several issues. Protests being staged against the BJP. BJP has its own plans on Thackeray leading the MVA contingent as the protesters continue to swell in numbers. Arunil, what's going on there? All right, not quite sure if he can hear me, but on your screens are these visuals coming in. Remember, it's a mega plan by the Mahavikas Aghadi, senior Shiv Sena leaders, the UBT leaders, Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, along with NCP's Ajit Pawar, Supriya Sule, Jayant Patil. Apart from this, Congress's Bala Sahib Thorat, they're all likely to be present. Some of them, in fact, can be seen on your screens as well. We're also being told that Sharad Pawar may also attend the rally. And also chances that some of them may address the media as well to put forward their demands. Arunil, I believe, is back with us. Arunil.
Well, Dishwin, that is certainly yes. Sharad Pawar attending this massive show of strength by the Mahavikas Aghadi, basically the opposition in the state of Maharashtra, is certain he will be coming at the culmination point, the end point of this rally. However, we'll just speak on the visuals over here. My video journalist Anil Shinde is showing you the visuals. It's difficult to get these visuals because the supporters and the bodyguards of Uddhav Thackeray and the Thackeray family are surrounding them, basically not allowing anybody to get close to them. But these are some interesting visuals. Uddhav Thackeray is on the roads of Mumbai, on the streets of Mumbai. You can see in the visuals Uddhav Thackeray along with his son Aditya Thackeray. On his left-hand side is Nana Patole as well as Ajit Pawar, the NCP, senior NCP leader. Basically the nephew of Sharad Pawar. All of them are on the streets of Mumbai protesting. Their demands are, what they have been saying is that some of the Mahapurush, some of the historic figures of Maharashtra like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, like Baba Saheb Ambedkar or Jyotiba Phule have been insulted repeatedly by the BJP. They have been saying that this is a rhetoric that has been set up by the RSS. That's what they've been saying. And also they are demanding the Sayukta Maharashtra, saying that Belgavi, Karwar, Nipani belong to Maharashtra right from the start. From 1960 to 60 we have been fighting and we won that. However, it is clearly the matter is in court. Home Minister Amit Shah has said that a status quo needs to be maintained. No side can hurt the sentiments of the other state. But this show of strength,
and while that appeal is coming from Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the MVA continues with its protest. Thousands of supporters today on the streets in Mumbai. We'll keep coming back to you, Arunil. Thank you for joining us with those details. Need to quickly head out, get more details on a breaking news update coming.